Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Aloha app. We go to settings. In this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here we go to Aloha app as you see and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. We'll search about Aloha app. If you find updates, then we'll update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.